The Venetian Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas, wherein out here they have gondola rides. So that is the strip, and this is the drop-off area for hotel guests, or if you are riding a taxi or an Uber or a Lyft. And this is the entrance to the hotel lobby, front desk, registration of the Venetian. So let's do a walking tour. Let's go inside and explore the Venetian Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. All right, and you'll see that popular display that they have. And then they have luggage services in this area. Here. Ah, okay, so there's ride share, and then this is their hotel registration lobby right here. It's nice. So there's restrooms, VIP lounge, Venetian invited guests. So this is their, you can see the display. So looks like this is the concierge services. All right. And they have like a restaurant here called Sala 118. So you know what? Let's go around and check out the shops here that they have. So this dandelion small batch chocolate. All right, glasses to me. So this is the jewelry store. And they have the Venetian shop. And so this is the entrance to the casino. So let's go around here and check out. Okay, so this is Starbucks. That's a huge Starbucks that they have here at the Venetian. And this is Sala 118. All right. So so that is the display that they have right there. And then we will go here, and yep, you could see the nice hallway walkway that they have here at the Venetian. And so now going straight to meet hotel guests and those visiting the Venetian, their casino area. All right, so let's go follow the pathway here and stay in the middle. All right. Ah, okay, let me do a detour here. So this is the high limit slots right here. High limit slots. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, Grand Canal Shops gondola. So looks like ah okay. I think this is the yeah this is the walkway. Yeah, this is the walkway again. So this is the entrance exit from the Las Vegas Strip. So yep. So you can see that they have a bar to the right, and then those escalators are going to the Grand Canal Shops. And yep, it's a casino area. And then these are their Venetian rewards. Oh, okay, so there's like roulette and sports betting in here. Oh, okay. All right. So let's go around. Wow, the Venetian is so compact, close to each other. The slots. Let's see. Okay. So here is the bar right here. And so, okay. And so the table games are on the left. Here are the table games right here. Table games. All right. And yep, you have the Grand Lux Cafe. A lot of people eating. Ah, okay. So this is the escalator going up to the Grand Canal Shops. And so this is the okay. So this is the Venetian Theater. Okay. So this is the Venetian Theater. Okay. Venetian Theater. All right. And yeah, they have the Bucon Bakery, and then that's the Venetian North Tower Suites for hotel guests. All right. Excuse me. So a lot of people. It's good that if you're watching this walking tour video here at Venetian Hotel and Casino, how they have smaller walkways. And so Okay. So let me go around here. All right. Have a lot of. These are the table games. All right. And that's the cashier. That's the cashier. Security. And they have here what they call a restaurant row, but we'll just go around here. So this is the Juliet cocktail room. All right. So you would know that this is here. That looks like a nice bar. All right. They have a lot of slots here. A lot of slots. Okay. So looks like this is all over the place, but that is going to the Venetian. So let's go here. So that's the restrooms. And then this is Noodle Asia. That is an Asian restaurant. Let me just show you here. Here you go. So they're also busy for tonight. Okay. So let's go here. Ah, okay. So this is, yep, this is where the Venetian rewards is. So now let's go here. Oh, okay. So that is Black Tap Craft Burgers and Beer. Oh, so it's busy tonight. And then okay, so this is a bar at the sports book. Wow. So this is a nice bar at the sports book, and all the TVs that they have here at the sports book. Yep, there you go. You can see it all in here. They have chairs right there. All right. So this is the Blacktop Craft Burgers and Beer. All right. And then, oh, look at that one. So they have to place your bets in that area. Oh, look at this TV right here. So you could sit right here. And yeah, right here. And yep. And there's a lot of betting area here. And so they have the Las Vegas Boulevard outdoor gondola. All right. So all right. All right. So this is going to the Las Vegas Boulevard on the second floor walkway. So You saw how busy it is tonight at Venetian Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. So like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to be part of the Las Vegas Walking Tour Club. And watch the next video. And thank you for watching. And let me show you the walkway. Yep, there you go. So that's the walkway right there. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.